Actually, it's kind of interesting just trying to get here. You'll see a lot of, this is the underground shopping mall area. And we are going to try to find this restaurant that I like, and it's kind of a maze in here, so every time I come down here I have to look to try to find it. And today's no exception. But you can see quite a few other things in here too. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Okay, so today I'm in my in Zhuhai. I'm gonna take you to my favorite restaurant. If you like this, just hit the like button. If you like my channel, just hit the likes on my individual work, stuff that I post. It helps me in general because it puts me more in the algorithm. So if people like the video within the first, I think it's 24 or 72 hours or something like that. Actually, it's kind of interesting just trying to get here. You'll see a lot of, this is the underground shopping mall area. And we are going to try to find this restaurant that I like, and it's kind of a maze in here, so every time I come down here I have to look to try to find it. And today's no exception. But you can see quite a few other things in here too. But yeah, you can do your tailoring here. You can do whatever this is, tea shop, iPhone packaging stuff, toys, lots of clothing, of course. Okay, here we go. This is it right here. So yeah, I always kind of stumble upon it in the most accidental way. But this is the place right here. Usually I always get this one. If you know what that is, just let me know. But I'm gonna order that one in a minute. Let me show you the outside of this restaurant before we go in. But it's a Japanese restaurant and they got sushi. And I like to go in there and grab some food. So we're gonna go on in. Hello. Thank you. So let's just see. I think we're gonna go. So we'll sit right here. We'll do this. They usually always give you drinks. This menu is here we go. That's what I'm gonna get. That's it. I'm gonna get this one. Hello. This one.
Oh, okay.
And this one. That's all. Thank you. So, okay. So this is the place that I usually order from. I usually get the same thing. And I'll turn it off until the food arrives. And it arrived. So I got my lychee drink. Usually I just get different ones, but this is like a chia seed. I got my green tea. And take that out. Put it over there. I got this. Here we go. That concludes this video. I'll enjoy it. There's the bill, 44. It's like $5 American dollars. In Macau, usually it's like 12 or 13 for the same thing. So we're going to, we just left that restaurant, and I'll just kind of walk around a little bit, show you a little bit of this mall. But actually I'm going to be exiting in a minute as well, but I have shown this in other videos anyway, so you can get all kinds of stuff, fruit, sugar cane, all kinds of stuff. And we're going to just go right out, and I'll, this is It's kind of a labyrinth. You can really get lost in here. But we're gonna be exiting right now, so it's actually good.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.